Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your WhatsApp is not showing up your contacts. In this case, you just simply have to go into your setting application and from the setting scroll down until you get the setting of accounts. Now tap into that account setting and after that select the WhatsApp into there. Now after selecting WhatsApp, choose your account where you want to show up the contacts and after that you will find this option of sync contact into here. Simply enable the toggle for that and after that click to this sync now button. Then your contact will start to appear into your WhatsApp and after that your issue will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.